If you've ever stared at a blinking text cursor, trying to guess the specific phrasing that might trigger the result you need, it can feel like a series of isolated experiments. You're testing combinations of words, hoping one of them finally clicks. But these aren't random guesses. Reliable results from large language models are built on patterns. These are structural approaches that align with how these models actually process information. Think of it like software engineering. Instead of writing every line of code from scratch, developers use design patterns to solve recurring problems. Prompting works the same way. Specific structures solve specific recurring hurdles in AI communication. This isn't a skill set held by a few experts. These patterns form a shared methodology that users are documenting and refining in real time. You can pull up a chair to this table. The barrier to entry is just understanding the structure. When you replace trial and error with a logical framework, the AI stops being an unpredictable box. It becomes a reliable, collaborative tool that you can direct with precision. The first pattern for shaping an output is role-playing. By assigning the model a persona, like a tenured professor or a venture capitalist, you anchor its communication style, the depth of its technical knowledge, and its professional priorities. This diagram compares two approaches. A generic explain neural networks prompt often returns a wall of dense equations. But when you specify the role, a professor teaching undergraduates who haven't taken calculus, the model drops the mathematical notation in favor of a clean, conceptual explanation. The second tool is few-shot learning. It is based on the principle that it's often more effective to show the AI a pattern than it is to describe it with a long list of instructions. Instead of writing complex rules for how to organize messy product reviews, you provide 2 or 3 examples. You show the raw text and the corresponding pros and cons list. The model identifies that pattern and applies that same logic to new, unseen reviews. This approach scales. You can use a few examples to categorize support tickets by urgency, or to teach the AI to replicate the specific tone of a corporate brand voice. Role-playing and few-shot learning are powerful because they narrow the AI's vast range of potential responses down to a set of exact, recognizable parameters. Our third pattern focuses on the logic of the answer. Chain of thought prompting requires the model to show its sequential reasoning before it provides a final answer. Consider a complex task like debugging code. If the AI jumps straight to a solution, it may miss a subtle logic error. By prompting it to think step by step, you force it to chart a path through the intermediate steps, giving it the space to identify and correct errors in its own reasoning. When you need to control the production of a task, you use pattern 4, step-by-step instructions. This differs from reasoning. It is about decomposing the actual creation process into distinct, actionable stages. If you are drafting a blog post, you don't just ask for the article. You direct the AI to draft the headline first, then the intro, then the 3 main points, and finally a concluding review. This ensures the model covers all necessary ground systematically. While the first 2 patterns shape the perspective of the output, chain of thought and step-by-step instructions provide you with structural control over how the AI actually works through a problem. The true strength of these patterns is that they are modular. They are designed to be stacked together as building blocks in a single, sophisticated prompt. Synthesizing user interviews? Begin by assigning the role of a UX researcher. Then provide few-shot examples of your format. Add step-by-step instructions to guide the data analysis, and finish with a chain of thought command to ensure clear reasoning. This combined approach replaces the trial and error of prompting with a logical methodology. You are no longer guessing what might work. You are engineering the result. The pace of AI development is fast, but the craft itself is open to everyone. What one person discovers about these structures becomes a tool that the entire community can use to build something more complex. Take these foundational patterns and begin experimenting with your own combinations. Pull up a chair and join the shared craft of prompting.